In this video, I will learn how to uninstall Node.js on Windows 11. Let's start. First, search box, control panel, click open, programs, uninstall all program, click Node.js, click uninstall, arrow mark, click yes, minimize, wait, Node.js uninstall successful. Thank you for watching.